Good afternoon, viewers. I am Inderjit Singh, lecturer civil, Pandit J.R. Government Polytechnic College, Hoshiarpur. My qualification is BE Structures Distinction from Punjab Engineering College, and I did it in Punjab University. Then BE Civil Honours, Punjab University, Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. My today's topic is stone masonry. This is for third semester civil students. As the name suggests, it is stones which are abundance in hilly area. So we are having a lot of stones in the hills. So local available material is used for stone masonry. First of all, blocks are made from the big stones to give it uniform shape like a brick, and its size is bigger than a brick. What is stone masonry? Stone masonry, art of building structures, art of building structures with the help of stones, and binder also. Cement can be used as a binder to bind them. If binder is not used, then it is very dangerous. In Latur, during a seismic earthquake, buildings collapse because of the binding material cement. So cement mortar should be used, it is very much essential. Then there are few terms which are used in stone masonry. First I am telling you coping. So coping is top of wall is provided with coping having throat to prevent rainwater. So here I am having a parapet wall, and this is a coping of big stone made like this one, and rainwater comes here and it trickles down from this throat like this one. So rain does not wet this inner wall. So this is throating which is done, and this is my parapet wall. Parapet wall, it is used for the protection. So a low wall constructed along terrace for safety. So parapet wall is constructed, parapet wall for safety purpose. Then I am having blocking course over here. A stone piece is just placed at this roof level. If this is my roof, and this is blocking course. Blocking course. Then I am having cornice. Cornice, an architectural projection stone piece at roof level for purpose of throwing away water. So, my roof level is this one, and parapet wall, and here is my coping, and here is my cornice like this one. So, rainwater trickles down from this portion. After cornice, I am having a frieze, a technical term. Frieze, stone provided below cornice is called frieze. So, all these are for dampness purposes. Then I am having sunshade, and if you see, a slab is here, and this is wall, and this is a sunshade provided exactly above my window section. So, this is sunshade. So, sun rays are protected, sunshade. Then I am having drip stone. Drip stone is provided below this one, and the purpose again to get the rainwater away from the body of main wall. Then I am having string course. This is string course. A horizontal course of masonry provided at roof or floor level projecting outside the wall of a building is called string course, and it also trickles down water and keep the water away, and it does not wet this main wall. Then we are having buttress. Buttresses, this is my stone wall, and this inclined like this one. So, this type of structure is buttresses. Joints are staggered for bond strength. Cutting and dressing of stone. Cutting and dressing of stone. This is done at the quarry site itself, where the stone is brought quarry site. There we dress the stone and give it shape like a brick. Skilled workmen are easily and cheaply available. Skilled laborer, skilled worker are used. Scabble dressing. Then we are having first is scabble dressing. Scabble dressing. Scabble hammer is used for this purpose. So, hammer of this shape is used for the dressing of stones. Scabble hammer. So, this is used to remove irregularities. So, irregularities of stone is removed by this scabble hammer. There are various tools, mallet, like this one, mallet, mesh hammer, this is mesh hammer, all are used to dress the stones. Then we are having spawls, spalling hammer, this tool is also used for dressing. Spalls, chips of stone, spalls, chips of stone used for packing up and filling the hollow space in stone masonry is called spalls. Then we are having hammer dressing, hammer dressing. So, spalling hammer, mesh hammer, face hammer, there are many hammers which can be used for this work. So, face hammer, hammer dressing, stone made square or rectangular with mason's hammer is hammer dressed stones. Then we are having hammer dressing without chisel draft margins. So, there are various types of hammer dressing. If border is not there, then this is just planed with the help of hammers which are there, then hammer dressing with chisel draft margin. So, this is like this one, chisel draft margin is there. Hammer dressing without this is hammer dressing, hammer dressing without chisel draft margin. Chisel draft margin. So, this is hammer dressing with chisel draft. One is with chisel draft, this one is with chisel draft, and this one is without chisel draft. Then we are having rough tooled dressing. Rough tooled dressing. The projections are removed with the help of chisel, also known as one line dressing. One line dressing. Irregularities are removed only one time and its projection should be less than 10 mm. Then we are having tooled dressing. Tooled dressing. In this case, irregularities are removed and its projections are less than 3 mm. So, another attempt is made to make it smaller than 10 mm. So, this is tool dressing and stones are looking better than the first one. Then fine tool dressing. Fine tool dressing, when straight edges give almost 0 projection, 3 line dressing. So, another attempt is made so that this is almost negligible. So, projections, the finer the projections made, then the stone gives better look. Then finely punched dress stone, finely punched dress stone. So, here the more work is done to make the surface smooth. Then cut stone dressing. With the help of machine we cut stone dressing. So, this is giving almost straight portion by cutting the stone with the help of machines. Then we are having rubbed dressing. So, stones are dressed and it is rubbed also. Polished dressing. So, polishing of stone is done to give architectural beauty. Polishing, dressing, polished dressing, polished dressing. So, we are having then some other tools which are used for the stone masonry are pick. So, quarry site we are using this pick also to cut the stone and give it a shape. This is pick. So, punches are used for punched dressing. Then point is used. So, this is point and this is punch. Then we are having chisel also. Chisel, then cross cut saw is there. So, this is used to cut the stones and these are sharp edges which cut the stone. Cross cut saw. Then we are having bevel which can slide on, one rule can slide on the other one to give angles to the masonry work. And this is having some hinge at this one. Then we are having jumper for making holes. Punched end points used to make a tooled finish. Then we are having stone masonry, rubble masonry, a type of masonry which is used, rubble masonry. Rubble masonry. When stones are undressed and laid in mortar to join them, joints are wider and not uniform in thickness, then it is called rubble masonry. We are having uncoarse rubble masonry. Uncoarse rubble masonry. So, here walls in hilly area are made by placing the stones undressed like this one. So, stones are placed in one layer, then another layer is set over this one, and these are filled with cement mortar. So, these are undressed stones which are used in our rubble masonry. So, here the quantity of mortar required is a little more than the finely dressed stones. So, this way we can make the wall uncoarse. This type of masonry is used to build low height wall. So, if you are to make low height wall, small walls are constructed, then rubble masonry is used. This is roughest and cheapest. So, this is a cheap type. Small amount is paid for this one. In this corners are not made. Then we are having random rubble masonry. Random rubble masonry. Stones are laid in a level course. This type is used to construct residential building. So, here we are selecting equal sizes of stone, though undressed, but they are equal in height. So, this can be used for building construction. So, this type of masonry is used in hilly area where stones are in abundance. In plain area, if you want to construct a house with stone, so you have to pay more cost. So, we should be economical also. So, this is preferable where the land is located in our hilly area. So, you can have this type of structure in hilly area. So, if you see the section here, so stone would look like this one. This is through stone. So, through stones are placed to make the bond better. Through stone. So, these are placed after 2-3 layers. You are placing a through stone like this one. So, this way you can provide the more strength random rubble masonry. Then we are having coast rubble masonry. Coast rubble masonry. When stones are of same height, first class coast rubble masonry stones are different height, second class course is less than 12 mm. So, the height is less than 12 mm and it is uniform. So, then you can say coast rubble. So, if you have the same size of all the blocks and then this is called coast rubble masonry, like this one. So, of course, mortar